All right, so I made a number of the changes that I was talking about with this terraced house that I'm building from kind of from a plan. I went through, I deleted a number of items that I didn't want in the scene. I went through and I reparented objects so that hierarchically they're showing up where I want them. I went inside and punched a few holes in some walls, some things like that to make things more appropriate. Still some work to be done, but I am feeling better about this. So as far as putting holes in things, I'm going to do that one more time. If you're not familiar with Booleans, they're pretty handy. So this cube that I've been using for a placeholder, I resized it and put it so that it was lined up with this top layer of stairs. I've got this ceiling selected. And what I'm going to do is there were some modifiers attached to the ceiling. I went ahead and I applied those. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add a modifier on the modifier menu, the wrench. I'm going to go to Boolean. And then what I'm going to do is leave it on difference because I want it to subtract from an object. And the object that I want it to subtract from is going to be the cube, which I left labeled just as cube. And then when I go ahead and apply, and if I hide the cube, I should have a nice hole in the staircase. Now I do see there's an issue with a pre-existing wall that's jutting up there, so that's something I may well deal with in the next video.